Hi, good afternoon. We are group from Group 101 and we are going to talk about some topics related to chemistry. So, let's begin.
In particular, medicinal chemistry, in its most common guise, focusing on small organic molecules, encompasses synthetic organic chemistry and aspects of natural products, and computational chemistry in close combination with chemical biology, enzymology, and structural biology, together aiming at the discovery and development of new therapeutic agents. Practically speaking, it involves chemical aspects of identification and then systematic, through scientific alteration of new chemical entities to make them suitable for therapeutic use. It includes synthetic and computational aspects of the study of existing drugs and agents in development in relation to their bioactivities, biological activities and properties. Understanding their structure-activity relationships, FAR, pharmaceutical chemistry is focused on quality aspects of medicine and aims to assure fitness for purpose of medical products. Okay, so in this little brief information that I just read, we understand that chemistry has a really important role in the medicine and pharmaceutical chemistry, because without it we couldn't be able to test the drugs or to make procedures or something like that, to make the medicines, to investigate them. So it all gets together into one single thing, and then I don't know, it's just like you have to understand that chemistry is involved because it makes everything happen, such as chemistry in technology or chemistry in biology or things like that. So let's just say that chemistry is the most important of all in this thing.
Chemistry studies the transformations of the food substance. It also studies the compositions and the compositions of certain substance when it's combined with another substance. It also studies the composition to prevent it to change when it's in contact with another substance or food.
Traditional definition of a chemical weapon is a toxic chemical contained in a delivery system, such as a bomb or a shell, like a nuclear bomb or gas. Chemical weapon is applied to any toxic chemical that can cause death, injury, temporary incapacitation, or sensory irritation through its chemical action. These gases may contain four main agents, and these agents are the choking agents, the blister agents, the blood agents, and the nerve agents. And due to the inexpensiveness of the chemical weapons, many terrorists have used them to harm humans. Thousands of toxic substances are known, but only some of them are considered as chemical weapons agents, based on their characteristics, high toxicity, imperceptibility to senses, and rapid reaction of the dissemination and persistency. Based on their volatility, they are classified as persistent or non-persistent agents. The more volatile agent, the quicker it evaporates and disperses. One example of all this would be the gas chamber used in the World War II in which consists in a zero chamber in which you introduce gas, and that would be a blood agent. That would contain hydrogen cyanide, carbon dioxide, and carbon monoxide. And this would cause the victim to not to breathe and incapacitate that.
Before human intervention, Earth's radiation balance was in equilibrium, resulting in a mean average temperature of Earth at 15 degrees. Without the presence of naturally occurring GHGs, Earth's average surface temperature will have been minus 18 degrees. Although the level of naturally occurring greenhouse effects may change naturally over time, their concentration has still increased since the Industrial Revolution that began around 1750 because of fossil fuel combustion, deforestation, biomass burning, drainage of wetlands, and conversion of natural into agricultural ecosystems. And global warming has caused a lot of problems in the earth, because there are some gases called greenhouse effects that have been producing a lot of consequences in the climate and of the earth and its surface. And we have to do something because we are, like, when we do industrial processes, we are endangering the world and even more and more. So we have to be conscious about this problem and make solutions.
Of the people nowadays think that it is impossible to stop or reduce global warming, but what they don't know is that they can help reducing it by many ways, and I will mention 3 of them. One of the ways to help reduce global warming is to ride a bike. Why? Because it helps in many ways, such as no air pollution, non-renewable fuels are burned, it's better for short trips, and it reduces the parking problem, and it helps a lot to your own health. When compared to personal motor vehicles and public transportation, riding a bike has been always a more cost-effective mode of transportation. Another way of helping to reduce global warming is recycling. Recycling is important in today's world if we want to leave this planet for our future generations. It is good for the environment since we are making products from the old products which are no use to us. Recycling begins at home. If you are not throwing away any of your old products instead of utilizing it for something new, then you're actually recycling. When you think of recycling, you should really think about the whole idea: reduce, reuse, and recycle.
And as a reflection, we concluded that chemistry has been very important for humans' development, and the technology also has been very important because of chemistry. Without chemistry, technology will be nothing. The chemistry is one of the best ways to produce technology and a lot of products very useful nowadays. Yeah.